Here's a few pieces of Australian Boulder Opal from central Queensland. I don't know which mine it came from. These are basically faces of colour. We'll just go in a bit closer so you get a better look. The rules in millimetres, by the way. Material's been wetted. It's basically just a little specimen. That's probably the bottom of the stone. Opal's starting to fill up. You can see here how it actually drops back when the water stops flowing. It's a nicer piece. Fortunately, again, it's just a seam. That one might polish up okay there for you. This one is a nice pattern, but it is concave. Again, seam in the back, whether that goes through to here. But with this sort of material, I tend to say, do something with what you can see rather than what you might get. But in saying that, this is the last piece, and this is quite colourful. Reds. You can see the reds and greens in it. Unfortunately, it doesn't look like it goes underneath there. It is a pretty specimen with some nice colours. You might find you can cut that out there and make it quite a good stone. Unfortunately, the seam doesn't seem to go anywhere. There is another thin seam there which you could play around with later. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed looking at those. Cheers.